Challenging aesthetic cases where you need to combine crowns and implants and thin veneers in one restorative approach. How to blend the shades and how to make a good results. Here we have a new tip in our BG Dental Tricks series. The approach that I'm gonna show you is not the best one, but it's an option that may be very useful in your dental technician as well, because at the end of the day, these guys make magic and they are responsible for that kind of results with cooperating with the team dentist and dental technician. So here we have an initial situation with failed ceramic restorations. And here you can see a dream of dental technician when you have to do a single implant, crown on the central incisor, another one is prepped for a crown with a vertical preparation, then you have a lateral incisor prepped for the crown as well. I'm speaking about tooth number 1, 2. Then we have thin veneers on teeth 1, 3 and 1, 2 and sorry, not 1, 2, but 2, 2 and 2, 3, and your dental tech has to do a really difficult work to blend the color with the different types of restorations and their thicknesses. So what we can offer and what we can do in our clinic, for example, and with our lab, we use so-called sandwich techniques, where a dental technician creates a copings for teeth with a specific thickness and with a specific shades, and these shades are matching the shades of the teeth that were prepped for the ceramic veneers, with the thin ceramic veneers, for example. And then he will add also ceramic veneers over these copings with a uniform thickness. That approach let us be more confident and to get more predictable results in aesthetic areas. And you can see here papillas and soft tissues, but here you can see result just straight after bonding of these ceramic restorations. I think the result is not bad at all, but the approach was pretty complicated. I hope this trick will help you to make your aesthetic dentistry better. Stay in touch, follow us, and may the dental force be with you.